Well, folks, welcome back to Getting Saucy with Cece. And this is, I guess, part two of what we're having for dinner tonight. So earlier on, we made the cilantro lime crema, which was really fast. And oh my gosh, did it ever taste so good. So I've got some, I don't know, about 6 chicken breasts here. I've got a couple of limes and some sea salt, no, mineral salt, and a bunch of different spices here, and we'll go through them, and some chili oil. Okay, so we're going to cut up the chicken. We just want to get the marinade going so the chicken can settle in and have all the flavors infuse before we fry it up for fajitas tonight. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So first of all, we're going to put in a little bit of chili oil. And I've got onion powder. That's going to be the next in. And I have to tell you guys, I'm not really one for measuring unless it's like a cake and you have to be precise on stuff. And next we have spicy pepper medley. So as you can see, this is kind of the part that I like. It's kind of, I call it cooking with love. This is cumin. Cajun. Oh, it smells so good. Just wait till the lime goes in. Chipotle mango. This is also really good on salmon. That's for another day. Chili powder. Oh, that doesn't want to go there. Yeah, way better. And some paprika. Garlic powder. And my favorite, mineral salt. Okay. So I've got the meat marinating over there, the chicken, and we're just going to take our peppers and we're going to slice those up. Okay, look at this, folks. Doesn't that look amazing? It's so freaking good. Okay, last thing I need to add, which I'm going to be doing 2 pans, I think, and I'm going to do 1 pan with a hot pepper in it and 1 pan without. So I'm going to go get the hot pepper. Okay, we are going to take this over to the stove and get things prepped over there. Come on over. This all looks so good. Take a look at that. Get that centered a little more. Yeah. Oh my gosh, doesn't this look so good? All right, so this side, okay, this side is hot. This side is hotter. Okay. I've got my tacos done here, my fajita, I don't know, what do you call these? My wraps. The cilantro lime crema that we made earlier today, some fresh cilantro, and some cheese. I found this little kitchen store. These are the neatest contraptions. You make tacos, you can do 2 tacos. You want 1 taco, you can have 1 taco. I'm going to go with just the plain hot, not the kill myself hot. Right. Cilantro lime crema. Remember, this is the explosion of flavor in your mouth. And let's top it off with some fresh cilantro. Look at that. Does that not look delightful? And you can't have Mexican food without Don Julio, my friend. So cheers. This is Getting Saucy with Cece, and please remember to click like and subscribe. It helps with the channel. Cheers.